Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by defining what success looks like. List your top 3 responsibilities and associated KPIs. Once done, block focus time, 90-minute deep work sessions with 15-minute breaks to build momentum. Make sure to draft a 30/60/90-day plan with measurable outcomes so you can track progress. You should inform your manager of priorities and ask one targeted question to align expectations. This reduces wasted effort and gets you working on the highest. Now scale execution by decomposing projects into weekly milestones and 1 to 3 daily tasks that move the needle. Once you complete a milestone, run a quick review. What worked, what blocked you, and adjust. Make feedback loops with stakeholders, weekly updates and concise progress notes to stay aligned. Also, identify repetitive tasks you can automate or delegate so you spend more brain power on high-value decisions. This shifts you from busy work to strategic contribution over time. As you finish, package results with clear impact statements. What changed, who benefits, and by how much. Afterwards, conduct a 15-minute retrospective focused on data, wins, and one lesson to apply next cycle. If progress stalls, isolate the bottleneck quickly, resource, skill, or dependency, and escalate with 2 possible solutions and recommended next steps. This keeps momentum and shows leadership. Finally, make small habit adjustments weekly so your performance compounds rather than plateaus over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.